Do you want to know how you can change the difficulty level in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your difficulty level in Elsa Speak. So, go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and tap the profile section, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Go to your profile. After you tap on this arrow button over here, what you need to do is tap on learning and sound settings, and you can see difficulty over here. The difficulty level right now is easy, so to change it, just tap on change and tap on advanced. You must have upgraded your account to unlock this feature, so go ahead and upgrade the account if you want to put your difficulty level into difficult. So go ahead and go to this section where it says profile on the bottom right hand corner, tap on arrow under your profile and then tap on learning and sound settings. Now go to difficulty and tap change. Tap on difficult, upgrade your account, and then you can change your difficulty level in Elsa Speak. I hope this video about how you can change your difficulty level in Elsa Speak was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.